Storytelling is nothing new, and that's the beauty of story. From campfires to bedtime, stories have a meaningful way of teaching and delivering information. Now, once PowerPoint was created in the early 90s, moments of human connection were replaced with projectors and computer screens. Authenticity in the boardroom vanished. Building story into a corporate presentation can have incredible results and effects on the audience. When you inject meaning and emotion into a presentation, research shows that dopamine release will make it easier for you to recall that information at a later date. Not to mention, story is a beautiful way of weaving your values into your corporate brand. Whether you use the traditional storylines of Boy Meets Girl or Stranger in a Strange Land, storytelling is a beautiful way of making a meaningful connection with your audience.